Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a photo right here in our Microsoft Word document. First thing, you wanted to go up to the tab. You notice right up here is known as the tab. So you have the Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Layout tab. But what we want to focus on is the Insert. So you want to click on the Insert right here. Now when you click on the Insert, what it bring down is a ribbon. Alright, so I'm going to click on it. Notice these are the ribbon. Now the next thing that we want to focus on right here is the word picture. Now we're not going online, no, we're going to picture because it's on our desktop. Now we're going to click it. Now this is going to take me directly to my desktop. So notice, yeah, I'm seeing it right here. So I want to come right here and scroll up and notice this is the desktop. Click. So this is the photo that I wanted to upload. So I want to click it and highlight it. Now you're going to come all the way down to the bottom. Notice it cancel and insert. So I'm going to click on the word insert. Now when I click on insert, if you notice right here, it's on the page, but it's not going to be able to move. So I have to wrap text it. But how do I wrap text it? I'm going to right click right here, go down, notice it's wrap text. You notice I'm going to behind text. And I can actually move it now, so I can actually bring it in like that. Very important. You notice? Now that's how we insert the photo. But if I put it right here, you notice it go behind the words, right behind the words. If I want it definitely in between the word, after right click, I'll go back to wrap text, and then I'm going to click on the word tight. Now when I click on the word tight, you notice when I put it right here, notice the word and part. And if I come right up here, and I wanted to give it a nice little shape like this, you notice? Where the words is right around. So this is how we actually insert photo right in our Microsoft Word document. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.